All right, so this will be a trading recap for April 22nd. I made $528 on AGPU. I'll do a little recap here and I'll walk you through my trade as it was happening and show you what I was seeing and kind of what I was thinking as the trade was going on. So let's get started. I had gotten an alert that AGPU was jumping up on the scanners, and so you'll see it'll start there where I transfer over to that stock. So here it is. Yeah, shot up from about $5 to $6.50 when it hit the scanners, and immediately I'm looking at the level 2 here, the volume. As you can see, it's got quite a bit of volume. It has a 5 million share float, and we're gapping up here. MACD is going positive. So at this point, I'm wondering why it's going up. So I'm searching quickly through the scanner for any news catalyst that will be causing this to go up. Because if there's no catalyst, then this is just going to come right back down. So before I'm jumping into this, I want to verify that it's a legitimate reason to be going up and it's not just going to roll over on me as soon as I do. Okay, so about this time, I'm finding the news article that's causing this to go up, which you can see here. They had announced the signing of a $260 million contract for GPUs and AI-focused high-speed storage for a major data center, and it's the largest engagement that this company has had ever. So, all right, we've got breaking news that will legitimize this move in the stock price. So at this point, I'm not going to jump in. I'm waiting to confirm the move because also it's coming up on the 200 moving average on the daily chart. You'll see here. I'll check it here in a minute. And I'm not going to get in until I'm confirming that it's going to break through that. So you see here, right here. It's breaking through it about right now. So it's broke through it here. Now I'm not going to get in it. I'm not going to chase it into this move. I'm going to wait for a small pullback. And let me back that up there. You can see that right here on this 10-second chart. Jumps up, this little micro pullback right here. And I jumped in, waiting for that move higher. And I was pretty confident in the move, given that we have increasing volume. It's also been a very slow morning, so this was the only stock moving, so all eyes were on the stock at the moment. So there's a little flux here, as those that were already in have probably taken profit at this point, and so it's flexing back and forth. So I'm paying very close attention here to the level 2, and then it starts jumping. The move continues. I'm not jumping out yet. I'm not taking my profit just yet. There, I sold half, and I sold half again. So I got a fill of 10.09, 10.27 on each of those. Pretty happy with that. Immediately $400 of profit there. Now it's continuing to move a little bit, so I'm going to wait and see if it does a little pullback and resets, and then I might jump back in. Let's just watch it here. Watching the level 2. Watching this break through 11. I'm wanting it to break through 11 and immediately move higher. Just waiting for this pullback. You see the micro pullback here. Jumped in the pullback, and then it confirmed that it was gonna move higher. So I jumped back in for that breakthrough 11. Immediately jumped through 11, and I sold at 11.80. Just that quick, and I'm up $527 on the day. And at this point, I've decided I'm done. I'm done trading at this point. I'm just watching. I'm just curious to see what it ends up doing, if it's going to squeeze even higher and go parabolic, or if it's going to hit resistance and roll over. You see another pullback here. If I was still interested in getting in, I might get in about the time this breaks here. Right there, I would have gotten back in. So hesitating there at that break over 13. and then I would have gotten back out immediately just because this didn't jump. This tells me that the sentiment's changing a little. That doesn't mean that the move is necessarily over, just you have people taking profit as this has climbed up so quickly. But we've got this reset here, a little indecisiveness in the market. Now it's starting to move back up here. Let's see if it'll get another jump. It's respecting this 9 EMA line on the 10-second. We're well above VWAP and 200 EMA now. So I'd be waiting for a 1-minute reset now. The 1-minute chart. I wouldn't get back in unless it jumped over 13. Watching the level 2. See this volume candle here, smaller, so that's good. The pullback, and then there, jump right. I would have jumped right back in for that push through 13 up to 14. Stuttering here, probably would have taken profit and gotten out. About there, yep. Watching level 2 for the resistance. Now we're falling down. You know, it's not taking off as quickly as it was before. It's already up 170% within a couple of minutes, so everybody's taking their profit. $5,000 share seller here on at 14, 24,000 there at 13.20. Now everybody has seen that and they're dropping. They're getting out. It's hit its resistance. These big sellers starting to get thick, starting to lose its steam. So at this point, I would want confirmation that's going to continue moving. I would get back in. It's already resetting. Looks like it's going to come back down to VWAP. This orange line here. But like I said, I had already taken my profit for the day, $527 in less than 2 minutes. I'm just watching to see the pattern, see what it ends up doing. But yeah, probably one of my cleanest trades yet this year.